Time's the charm. Okay, well, we should be live. Sometimes it's hard to tell because, of course, Facebook doesn't give you the pop-up. It just like disappears. I've tried 3 times now to get on live on the group. So now I decided I would just have to try to do it on my page instead. So I apologize if you're looking for me in one place and you're not finding me. Most people should have access to my page. So that should solve that little problem pretty easy. I will say that I have found that this time of day apparently is kind of busy, and I wasn't expecting it to be. That's why I picked 3 in the afternoon. So I'm almost wondering now if I need to change the time of day I broadcast. But I'm here. Hopefully you are. I'll keep an eye out for comments as I chat with you. So I'll have like 2 windows open simultaneously. Let's see how that works. And of course, the moment I minimize my window, everything gets like squished. But I should be able to see comments coming up on the Facebook Live as I talk to you on the Zoom, because I'm using that to get the virtual background and to record this so that I can upload it to YouTube. I don't know about you, but I think that's pretty cool. And for me, that's very helpful because it gives me a way to see, you know, responsiveness, engagement, all those little factoids better. And if you missed it, at least you now have somewhere to find me, because Facebook's always hard to find videos after they've disappeared, if you know what I mean. So I'm wearing yet another hat, and I found a background that had snow on the ground because it snowed here in New England, and we are known for our weather that changes on short notice. So I'm not totally surprised that happened. And I apologize, the lighting is a little bright on one side. That's actually natural sunlight hitting my face. And then I've got the ring light to illuminate my green screen so I don't get that weird shadowy effect. And you may remember these are holiday gifting tips, and I'm using Mary Kay products because, well, that's my brand, but also I find it's easier to talk about stuff I am familiar with. You could do similar ideas with other brands, but I'm hoping you'll use my shopping services and therefore my products for your gifts. You may or may not remember at my unboxing, we had Darling Delights. These are really cute. These are hand lotions with lip balms that are scented. So this is the Berry Parfait. And I think I described this as like a berry smoothie, kind of more of a strawberry berry than say blueberry or raspberry, but I love it. And it doesn't go into detail here, but I can always look up what the ingredients are, you know, what products, what plants were smushed to make that product. You don't usually do a lot of fragrance stuff, but this is kind of cute. And this retails at $18, but what I love is if you wanted to add to that the satin lips scrub, so then you would have a proper satin lips set of balm and scrub. This is 18 plus 12. Do the math, 30 bucks. Great stocking stuffer, great teacher gift, great babysitter gift. This is a great price point. And what's nice is I'll show you how I can easily package it up for you, make it look really adorable. So it isn't like just a box. You could put a bow on this, I suppose, that'd be cute, but let's take it up a notch. We have these cute pillow pouch things. I can put that in. Now this lip balm would probably have to go on its side, but you can still stick in a note, a gift card, something to that effect. And it's as easy as folding this down, putting a bow on it, maybe a to from tag, and it's easily shipped. I could actually pad this with some tissue paper if you're really concerned about damage to the product on its way from here to wherever it's going. Now you might be like, oh, that's great, but I want to do something more. Well, we have several other ideas along the same lines. You could take that same lotion, and let's just say you're doing that with the lip balm, so we're at 30, and you want to add something to it. We've got cute little headbands, gloves, and I've got this going in at a weird angle, scarves. So like, for example, here are the headbands. I'm trying to monitor my time here, but it's a little hard to see how long I've been on for. These have not been opened. That's why they're still in the plastic. We got like polka dot leopard print. I just want to open one. I know, probably should have had it prepped ahead of time, but I was more concerned about getting the camera working. And what I like about these is they're very cushy and comfy, easy to work with. A little headband wrap, you know, like so. The bow kind of built into it. That could either go on the outside of the box, stretched, turned into like a packaging bow, like a bow tie, or it could probably be folded up inside. I don't know how sexy it would be just to shove it in there, but it will fit. The larger box will hold the, see, it fits in there nicely. So you could easily pack in something a little more. I'd say this is 35 with the headband. And again, outside packaging is really easy. You could use a gift bag. Those get smushed in the mail though, so I wouldn't recommend it. And another thing along those same lines, although these probably would be best on the outside of the package, and I'll show you in a minute. I have different kinds of gloves. They're really adorable. I got them through my friend Andrea out in Pennsylvania. So we've got these lovely studded gloves. And I believe, I checked the fingertips, they are texting gloves. So they have that tip so you can kind of type on your phone. So we get these sparkly gloves, and I've got them in black and burgundy. So there's like this beautiful burgundy color. We've got kind of a velour glove with little floof at the end. We've got those in gray, pink, and tan. So the idea would be, you know, you'd have it along the front of the box, tied with a bow, maybe with a snowflake. I don't know if you're celebrating Hanukkah, Christmas, Kwanzaa, one of the other many ones. I think there's Festivus. I don't know how real that is, but I saw that on Seinfeld a long time ago. Another one is sort of, I don't know if this is houndstooth or heather, but we've got this in blue, black, and kind of burgundy color here. Again, don't mind the barcodes. These are one size fits most of the average woman's hand, so that would work for most people, especially if you gift and you don't know what size your hand is. And then if you want to go a little bit more for a splurge, we have this nice idea of, let me see if I can get this out. It's an infinity scarf. Sometimes I feel like you're not sure what to get somebody because they have everything. But in New England, we always burn through scarves, hats, gloves. You always lose one. They get dirty. Sometimes it's just nice to have a new pair. It's sort of like getting slippers, but slippers can be kind of an awkward purchase. So I'm trying to pull one of these out, but I didn't realize how well taped together they are. And I don't want to damage the actual scarf. So bear with me a second as I pull it out. Sort of like a gift. Unwrapping a gift right now. So are these cute or what? So yeah, I'm wearing black, so this isn't going to contrast well. But it's an infinity scarf. If you open it up all the way, you'll see it's kind of fringed on both sides. You probably would wear it almost like a poncho. And again, I'm wearing black, so it's a little tricky to see this against my outfit. But it's very, very soft, very cute. And again, this would look beautifully wrapped around with a bow. You know, you don't just stick it on by itself. Let me fold this in lengthwise. So it's on the box, but then you do something really cute with a bow right in the middle. And that really makes for kind of an interesting presentation. You can feel it immediately. Almost don't care what's in the box because you already love the scarf, right? And I have that in teal, gray, black, and white. And just a reminder, I have quite a few of these balm and lotions in stock. We have the citrus sorbet. I describe this as like an orange creamsicle pop. Or again, like smoothies, it's always a good explanation. Coconut mousse. This one's yummy. If you like a coconut cream pie, coconut water, coconut anything on, you know, like maybe like the Almond Joy Mounds with the coconut in it, you're gonna love this one. So as I said, we've got those 3 scents. It's a lip balm and a lotion for $18. And as I said, for an extra $12, you can add on the satin lip scrub. And for an extra $5, you can add on gloves, scarf, or the headband. And I have other options as well, like fuzzy socks and stuff, but I kind of saved those for the Mintless foot lotion simply because that makes more sense. Foot lotion, socks, hand lotion, gloves. But we can mix and match and make it work for you. Next week, I plan to focus again on the socks because I have this great visual and I want to print these out and wrap them up myself. It takes the Mintless box. The sock goes on the outside, gets tied with a ribbon, and then a little piece of paper goes around the box, and it's a picture of a happy snowman. It is so cute. Perfect for my adopt a grandparent fundraiser. Perfect for just any family member that you want to give a gift to, but you're not sure what to give. And you don't have to use the purple and pink socks that they're marketed with. I have other colored socks that are available. If it's a guy or someone who's really picky about colors and just, you know, design, please let me know. We can customize. I think that's the most important part. A gift should feel like it's well thought out, special. If it doesn't, well, then it's not as much of a gift. It's just something, an afterthought. And I hate to do that to someone. So this video will go up on YouTube and become part of the series. And I will make sure I post the link to the playlist so you guys can find it. And you can always look me up at KRoseCarol on YouTube. Any other questions, feel free to contact me. My next mystery hostess on the next Friday, because I had to reschedule it because of a little boo-boo with my schedule, will be the holiday gifting show. It's kind of be like a shop and sip QVC style event. You don't actually have anything in front of you. You're watching on the screen. But if you see something that you like, let's say I put one of these up and I mention it and its price point, and you're like really interested, you would comment sold, that lot number, and then I would contact you afterwards to set up your payment and shipment. And what's really nice right now is I'm still offering free shipping for a little bit longer because I'm trying to compete with Amazon and I want you to have everything convenient and easy. Also, do realize that I'll be still doing holiday shopping tips probably for a couple more weeks, but then we're going to be switching gears because I have my virtual open house. I'm not sure if I can do the pink sale this year because there's no such thing as Black Friday. I mean, everyone's shopping already. So I guess the open house can be on the Friday after Thanksgiving, but in the interim, you don't have to wait till then to shop with me to get good deals. I'm still offering hostess credit up to $250 in free product that you can use for yourself for shopping or for your personal use as well. And with the mystery hostess thing, what's nice about that is if you bring 5 friends or you and 5 friends get online, then once I have 5 people, somebody gets picked as a hostess. So far, we've had 3. We need to have more than 3, really. I'd love to see 5, 10, 15 people so I can pick out 2 or 3 winners. That would be really nice. And other than that, I'll still be doing my makeup tips. I have the Coco Moco for next Tuesday. That's going to be fun. I really fell in love with the s'mores look. And I haven't put my face on tonight because it's Halloween and I'm going to do something very decorative and ornate. And I didn't think that would work on a Christmas video. Make sense? So that's why I'm not in my makeup yet. And my nails aren't quite done. I know I missed one. But these are the nail polish that changes color from temperature. And you can't really see it here, but it turns from purple to pink. And I had this really cool mattifying coat that I can put over the nail polish. This is not a Mary Kay product. This is just me having fun. I got my hair cut today, so as you can see here. All nice and ready for the holidays. And my anniversary on Tuesday. Anyone's welcome to wish me a happy anniversary. I'm probably going to cut this segment out on YouTube. But either way, just want to say thank you for watching. Hope you had some great ideas from this. And any questions, just don't hesitate to contact me. Bye, guys.